Hello, camera. Well, this, I found my computer, so this, I'm filming on my camera, so this would be uploaded from my computer, and I'm going to try to get rid of the thing at the top that says the date, but okay, let's go. Apparently, YouTube said randomly that I got a notification from YouTube, and they said, whoever passes 50 subscribers gets a cardboard play button. I'm like, what's special about that? And, well, something in it is actually special, because I would think that I want to get it for a month, and I did pass 50 subscribers, and they said a cardboard, and I said, what's special about that? And they said, what's special about that is you're getting a play button from YouTube. And I was like, oh yeah, that's the specialist thing I got. No, probably not, but because it's just made out of cardboard. But it came today. It's really weird. And look, cardboard play button, shiny. Just kidding, guys. If you actually passed 50 subscribers, like in the 50s, well, if you're already past, you have to have either 50 subscribers or in the 50s to get it. Well, if you thought that, well then I'm sorry, but I was just lying. I made that myself. And guys, I also fooled you about I'm using my iPod to film with. The only reason is because my camera is actually dead because I was filming so much yesterday and today. Well, not really today, but 2 days ago and yesterday that it died, and it just died. I put it on the charger and waited a while and it's charged. But it died because I played on it I used it so much, but there's nothing about that. I just wanted to make this video on my iPod because I wanted to get it over with really quick instead of having to wait an hour for that to be charged, and this is actually almost dead. So I had nothing really to film on. So I was like, hey, how about I just use my iPod for a second and just film this quick video. And so, here we go. Memories. Happy that I have this, but I made it. But I'm mad that I don't have subscribers. I wish I could subscribe to myself. I wish I could do as much subscribers as I want. It doesn't work that way. It does not work that way at all. You need to earn them. Someone actually did say the day before I went to vacation, that I have a good channel and I deserve more subscribers, and I was like, hey, sure, but it's falling apart. Like, literally, it's actually falling apart. I could set that back on, but that's no big deal. I could fix that. Even though that was special, because I always use this chair. Well, sometimes when I'm like playing on my Xbox or so. But I'm gonna put you in the case. Right, you're on the. I'm just kidding. This isn't my camera. I make lots of YouTube stuff. My favorite thing to do is YouTube and draw and make stuff. If you didn't know that, well, you're missing out. So, I love YouTube, so it's like my favorite thing to do. I wish I had more subscribers, not just because of the play button. Just so, never mind. Like, how much people watch me? There's 4,700 people watching me. And I know that because I look on my live subscriber account. And well, all those people who watch me, most of them don't subscribe. Only 56 of them subscribed out of all of them. It's like so blurry, but on camera in person. Well, congrats. Hey, put in the comments below hashtag good job, hashtag bad job. And good job stands for keep on doing YouTube. Just kidding. I'll always keep on doing YouTube. If you like this play button or if you don't. Bad job if you don't, and good job if you don't. If you do like it. And please like, subscribe, and comment, and we will see you in the next video. You know what? I'm going to throw you. 3, 2, 1.